Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing some important ninth class science chapter number 7 exercise question answers, that is diversity in living organisms. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಲೈವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ಲೈಕನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಲೈವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Diversity in living organisms exercise question answers. First question: what are the advantages of classifying organisms? Right answer: following are the advantages of classifying organisms. First one: it makes us aware of and give us information regarding the diversity of plants and animals. Second one: it makes the study of different kinds of organisms much easier. Third one: it tells us about the interrelationship among the various organisms. It helps us understanding the evolution of organisms. It helps in the development of other life science easy. It helps environmentalists to develop new methods of conservation of plants and animals. Second question: how would you choose between two characteristics to be used for developing a hierarchy in the classification? Right answer: we choose that characteristics which depends on the first characteristics and determine the rest variety. Third question: explain the basis for grouping organisms into 5 kingdoms. The basis for grouping organisms into 5 kingdoms are complexity of cell structure. There are two broad categories of cell structure: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Thus, two broad groups can be formed, one having prokaryotic cell structure and the other having eukaryotic cell structure. Presence or absence of cell wall is another important characteristics. Second one: unicellular and multicellular organisms. This characteristics makes a very basic distinction in the body designs of organisms and helps in their broad categorization. Third one: cell wall. Presence and absence of cell wall leads into grouping. Next one: mode of nutrition. Organisms basically have two types of nutritions: autotrophic, who can manufacture their own food, and second one, heterotrophics, who obtain their food from external environment, that is from other organisms. Thus, organisms can be broadly classified into different groups on the basis of their mode of nutrition. Question number 4: What are the major divisions in the placenta? What is the basis for these divisions? Right answers. The major divisions in kingdom placenta are Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Peridophyta, Gymnosperms, Angiosperms. The following points constitute the basis of these divisions. Whether the plant body has well differentiated distinct components. Whether the differentiated plant body has special tissues for the transport of water and other substances. The ability to bear seeds. Whether the seeds are enclosed within fruits. Question number 5. How are the criteria for deciding divisions in plants different from the criteria for deciding the subgroups among animals? Right answer. The characteristics used to classify plants is different from animals because the basis designs are different based on the need to make their own food or acquire food. Criteria for deciding divisions in plants are differentiated or undifferentiated plant body. Second one, presence or absence of vascular tissues. Third one, with or without seeds. Next one, naked seeds or seeds inside fruits. But the animals cannot be divided into groups on these criteria. It is because the basic designs of animals are very different from plants. They are divided on the basis of their body structure. Question number 6. Explain how animals in vertebrata are classified into further subgroups. Right answers. Animals in vertebrata are classified into 5 groups. First one, class species. This class includes fish such as squilodon, tuna, rohu, shark, etc. These animals mostly live in water, hence these have special adaptive features such as a streamlined body, presence of a tail for movements, gills, etc. to live in water. Class Amphibia. It includes frogs, toads, and salamanders. These animals have a dual mode of life. In the larval stage, the respiratory organs are gills, but in the adult stage, respiration occurs through the lungs or skin. They lay eggs in water. Third one, class Reptilia. It includes reptilia such as lizards, snakes, tortoises, etc. They usually creep or crawl on land. The body of a reptile is covered with a dry or cornified skin to prevent water loss. They lay eggs on land. Fourth one, class Aves. It includes all birds such as sparrow, pigeon, crow, etc. Most of them have features. Their forelimbs are modified into wings for flight, while hind limbs are modified for walking and clasping. They lay eggs. Fifth one, class Mammalia. Class Mammalia, it includes a variety of animals which have milk producing glands to nourish their young ones. Some lay eggs and some give birth to young ones. Their skin has hair as well as sweat glands to regulate their body temperature. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter exercise question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.